I, Chef Pal, today welcome you all to Tarla Dalal's kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you a pulao recipe called Shahi Pulao. So to make the Shahi Pulao, the first step would be to take ghee. Please do not use oil, use ghee, it gives a better flavor. We'll wait till it's nice and hot. To this we'll add some cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, some caraway seeds or shajira, cumin seeds, some green chilies and a bay leaf. And we'll saute this on a medium flame for a few seconds. To this we'll add some onions and we'll saute this on a medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes or till they turn light brown in color. You can see they're turning light brown in color. To this add some chilli powder, turmeric powder, paneer, some blanched cauliflower florets, some boiled green peas, and we'll saute this on a medium flame for 1 minute. Wow, it's smelling so delicious. To this we'll add some canned pineapple, some rice. So this is the saffron water mixture. I've taken saffron and 1 tablespoon of warm water. And we're going to add salt. And we are going to cook this on a medium flame for 2 minutes while stirring it occasionally. Yes, our Shahi Pulao is ready. Let's quickly serve it. So you saw how easy it was to make the Shahi Pulao, but let's garnish it. So we'll put some finely chopped coriander, some fried cashew nuts, some fried raisins. So do make this recipe in your kitchens and let us know how you all enjoyed it. Till then, goodbye.
Download the Tarla Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com.